So adding data to a figure is done by calling methods of the axes object. In this exercise, we will use the plot method to add data about rainfall in two American cities, Seattle, WA, and Austin, TX. The data are stored in two pandas data frame objects that are already loaded into memory. Seattle underscore weather stores information about the weather in Seattle, and Austin underscore weather stores information about the weather in Austin. Each of the data frames have a months column that stores the three-letter name of the months. Each also has a column named MLY-PRCP-normal that stores the average rainfall in each month during a 10-year period. So in this exercise, we'll create a visualization that will allow you to compare the rainfall in these two cities. So let's just do that. First, I will import the required data frames. And now let's jump into our first step. It says import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So let's do that. We'll say import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So my first step has been done. My next step is to create a figure and an axis with plt.subplots. We'll say plt.subplots over here. And our second step is done as well. My next task is to plot MLY-PRCP-normal from Seattle underscore weather against the month. So for that, I will say ax.plot. Then on my x-axis, I will have the month column. On my y-axis, I will have another column. So subset from Seattle weather, inside square brackets, I'll write the column name, which is MLY PRCP normal. Now my next task is to plot MLY-PRCP-normal from Austin underscore weather against month. So we'll do the same step. The only difference will be that the data frame that you're working with has changed. So we'll say Austin weather month. And similarly, we'll do Austin weather. And inside of here, I will write MLY-PRCP normal. And let's call the show function. So I'll say plt.show. And this will give me the required result.